Hey, did you just buy your machine and the riser kit along with it? Stick with me and I'll show you how to install it. Hey, this is Chuck with New Tech Machinery. Today we're going to be installing the riser kit on the combo gutter machine. I want to talk to you first about safety. We want to make sure you got your glasses. If you have boots, make sure you get some steel toe because we're going to be working close to your feet. These machines are heavy when you pick them up. The 5-inch machine weighs about 1,000 pounds, and depending on what you put on it, accessories, and also the combos and 6s, they're up at about 1,300 pounds. So we want to make sure when we lift it low, just high enough to get it onto the riser kit, and make sure you don't do anything that's going to be strenuous or put your feet or hands at risk. We're going to go ahead, and we've got one already set down on the floor, and we have two types. We have the one riser kit, which is the frame, and then we have the legs. You can buy a 6/8 or a 10/12. The 6/8 is adjustable from 6 inches to 8 inches, and the 10/12 is adjustable from 10 inches to 12 inches. So now we've already got one on the floor. We're going to go ahead and pick this up and get it all lined up with our forklift and our machine. Also taped to the frame when you receive it, it's going to be a bolt kit. You're going to have 4 bolts, 2 long ones and 2 short ones. The long ones are going to go to the entry end. The short bolts are going to go to the exit end of the machine. And then you'll need a 9/16 impact, ratchet, however you decide to install your tool of use. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbolt it, pick the machine up and get it off the pallet, and then set the riser kit underneath the machine and go forward from there on mounting. So we got David here with us helping driving the forklift, picking the machine up. So we're gonna get the forks underneath up, make sure you go all the way through, have a spotter, make sure you come all the way through before you lift it. So you got enough to come forward with the forks, David, so go ahead and back up a little bit. Gonna get the pallet out of the way here. Forks on this forklift is long enough that we can keep the pallet back out of the way, and then we can set the riser kit up underneath the machine. So go ahead and come on forward, David. Come on forward. Okay, right there. We want to square this edge up as close as we can on these holes right here and get the riser kit set up and lined up. And then we're going to go back and do the entry in and get it lined up. Okay, and once we get it lined up, then we're going to grab our bolts. And I'm going to start with the 2 short ones right here at this end. David, I need to come down just a little bit. So we've got the machine still suspended on the forks, and we're just trying to get this close enough where we can get the bolts to line up. Okay, I got the one end started. See if we can get this one lined up here. And then you don't want to tighten it up until you get the other set in and all locked down. So now we're going to get the other 2 bolts. We got our riser kit right at the entry end. Now we're going to drop our bolts down, and I want to be able to see, have enough room to where I can get it lined up. And we'll get David to drop it down just a little bit. Okay, right there, I got that one started. Then we'll go ahead and drop the bolt in here and see if we can see underneath of it and get that one lined up. There we go, looks like we're lined up there. And we'll go ahead and get our ratchet. And you don't have to drop it down anymore. Once you start tightening, it'll pull it on up. So we'll go ahead and go to the exit end and get that tightened, just this one tightened up. And again, we've got this one set at, this is a 10/12, and we got it set at 10. But when you receive it, you can adjust these feet before you actually set it up. So now that we've go ahead and installed the riser kit, now you can go ahead and pick it up and put it in your truck or install it where you're going to install it. Just as a reminder, the riser kit fits on our 5-inch machines and our 6-inch and combo machines. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn any more, click right here.